Friends, it all begins with recruitment. An organization is nothing but a sum total of the souls of all the team members, and that comprehensively forms the soul of the organization. But soul of an organization is a different entity from any individual participant. Contrary to the prevailing belief that a person is hired for his domain skills, he may have some soft skills, but the primary requirement is his domain skills. He will come and join the organization, stay for a few years, and then he may exit. Management from heart considers a joining of a member as marriage. It is for the lifetime. It's like finding a soulmate. Soul of an employee and soul of the organization. Once they find each other, it is a marriage. The first and foremost thing, whenever we are forming an organization or expanding or we need some domain skill person, is to pen down the requirements and the characteristics. Requirements are easy, but what are the characteristics? Well, as an example, I have divided various types of jobs into three categories: sheep, horse, and elephant. These categories may be different for different organizations, and you can devise your own nomenclature and categorization. But there should be some categorization and some clarity on that. The sheep are primarily related to manufacturing industries, logistics, and the likes. The main areas of sheep work are manufacturing, quality, stores, accounts, HR, security, canteen, etc. In the manufacturing industry, almost 90% of activities are sheep activities, and shepherds are to manage the sheep. The main task of a shepherd is to see to it that the sheep are following the norms and they are within the framework of the grazing field. The second category is the category of horses. The horses, they remain in stable, and when a race is there, they come out, they perform, and then they go back to their stables. In this category, normally I assign to the sales force, not the marketing part, but the sales part, and breakdown handling systems as horse category. And horses are run by jockeys, so the managers who are managing the horse departments are jockeys. The third category are the elephants. Elephants, when they go in jungle, they don't have tracks, they don't have paths. They have to make their own path. So they are basically the pathfinders, and they make paths for rest of the team to follow. So they are the marketing people. They are the market development agencies or people. They are the research and development departments. And obviously, elephants are manned by Mahavats. Now consider the situation where an elephant is put to sheep task, or a horse is put into a sheep task, or a situation where there are a few sheep performing a sheep task and there is a horse in between them, or an elephant in a herd of a sheep. These are still the working categories. I have seen a situation where a Mahavat, the manager of elephant, was inducted as a sheep because his salary demand was matching with this category. Sometimes it also happens that a sheep is managing an elephant. You can imagine what sort of resentment will be there when a sheep is managing an elephant. The second part is the soul searching. This is purely an HR activity. First, our HR departments have to introspect into what is the soul and what are the characteristics of our organization in which we are working as HR people, because it is their responsibility to match the soul of the candidate with the soul of the organization. Then only the marriage will be successful. They have to sort the candidates by going deep into their backgrounds, their upbringing, their schooling, their parenting, their early family. Early family means their brothers, sisters, and friends, if possible, their spouse, their kids. That is the latest family. What is his outlook towards the society at large? When the candidates are shortlisted and when they are called for interviews, there should be a feedback mechanism right from the entry of the gate, from the security person to the receptionist to the PNs who are giving them water or tea or whatever snacks, to the canteen where they have their food, and from the interview board and all the HR departments who are in connection with the candidates. They all should give a feedback which will be compiled into a soul report. If a candidate is best in the category of domain skills, but his soul remarks are not in conjunction with an organization's soul, then he should not be inducted. Difficult? No, not difficult. This is very, very difficult. Important? Yes. This is one of the most important activities for any business organization, or for that matter, for any organization, whether business or not in business. I never said that management is easy. The tagline of Management from Heart is management is simple but not easy. It requires your full time and dedication. In our attempt to make it easy, we complicate it. That's all for the day. See you again. Thanks.